Alright guys, here I'll detail how to free up disk space on Windows 11, Windows 10 and Windows 8. So if you have either Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8 and I want to free up disk space on C drive or D drive, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to free up disk space on your Windows, first all you need to do is press the Windows and arrow key to open the command prompt, then type prefetch. So just type this prefetch, click on OK. Then once you click on OK, you should see a bunch of files here. Then you want to delete all these files to free up more space on your Windows. Just click on any of the files, press Ctrl A, right click, then choose delete. Now there will be some files you won't be able to delete here, but as you can see, I am deleting about 447 files here. So if you have a file that cannot be deleted, that's fine. So just go ahead and skip all and leave the files you cannot delete. Then close this again. Repeat the same thing by pressing the Windows and arrow key to open the runs command. Then type temp. So this is going to open your temporary file on your Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now if you see some temporary files you have here, if you have a bunch of them, you want to go ahead and delete all this to free up more space on your device. You can see I have about 44 items in that. So just click on one of them, then press Ctrl A, right click, then delete. Hang on. Here also you may have some file you won't be able to delete as well. If you have any files that you can delete in the temporary files, that is fine. So just skip it and then you move to the next step. But you can see I am deleting about 198 items from the temporary files on my Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. And this is freeing up the space on my device. So you want to hang on for this to complete as well before you move to the next step. You have to do this step by step so that you don't mess up any of the steps I am about to show you here. Now once this is done, close this and again press Windows R to open the run command. Then type %temp % and click on OK. Then once you click on OK, then you have a bunch of files here. You can see here I have about 228 files. Then click on any of the files, Ctrl A, right click on any of the files and then select delete. Then you need to delete all of these as well. So just hang on while this is deleted. If you have some file you can delete, click on do this for all files to make sure the files are all deleted. Then again, you want to wait for all these files to be deleted. And once all the files are deleted, then you can now proceed to the next step. Now, once you have all that deleted, then the next thing you want to do is go ahead, click on the start button or right click on your start button and then select File Explorer. So you can either right click or click on the start button and then select File Explorer. So right click on the start button, select File Explorer. Wait for your Windows 10 or Windows 11 File Explorer to open. Once it opens, scroll down on the left side, locate and click on this PC. Then select local disk C, double tap or double click, select Windows. Then on the Windows page, you want to scroll down until you see download distribution here. Click on that. Then locate and click on download under download distribution. Now, if you have any files here, just right click on any of the files, then delete. So if you're unable to delete any files here, that's fine. Just right click on any of the files and then delete. Once you have empty files here where you see download, then all previous downloaded from Windows will be deleted here, and this is going to definitely free up more space on your Windows storage. So go ahead and close that. Now again, to free up more space on your Windows, what you need to do is click on the start button, search for disk cleanup, and then click on it. Then select the disk you want to clean up here. You want to clean up C drive or you want to clean up D drive. So select the disk you want to clean here and then click on OK. Then you should see cleanup is calculating. Then here you should see disk cleanup for C drive. Then here you can see we can clean up to 25.8 GB of disk space on C drive. So select any files greater than 1 gigabyte here. So just select it and then select clean up system files. Now, then you're good to go. Again, once you selected clean up system files, go to your recycle bin on your Windows, right click on it. So go to the recycle bin on your Windows, right click, select empty recycle bin. Then you should say, are you sure you want to permanently delete all of these items? Select yes. Then you should say your recycle bin emptied. So once you deleted all files you have in your recycle bin, this is also going to clean up some space on your Windows storage. So while this is ongoing in the background section, minimize that. Then once that is in the background section running, then again, go ahead, click on the start button, select File Explorer, or right click on the start button, select File Explorer. Now, once you open your Windows 10 or Windows 11 File Explorer, there is another way you can use to free up more space or disk storage. Click on this PC, right click on the local disk C if that is your main drive. Once you right click, locate and click on Properties. Now, once you selected Properties, click on Tools. Then it should say Optimize and Defragment Drive. Optimizing your computer drive can help to run more efficiently. Now, to optimize your drive and clean up more storage or more disk space, click on Optimize. Once you selected Optimize, then here you want to select your drive type. So if it is D drive or C drive, select it and then go ahead and click on Optimize. Then it should say Trimming. Then this is going to optimize the drive you selected. So this also happens to C drive, is going to optimize it. So I've done this recently, so that is why I don't want to do this again. You can see I did this like an hour ago. So you want to do this once in a while to optimize your drive. Then go ahead and click on the close button. Then click on OK again. Now, another way you can use to free up more space or disk storage on Windows 10, Windows 11 using the command prompt. So click on the start button, search for command prompt. Then open the command prompt. Once you have the command prompt opens, type this command, clean manager. That is clean mgr. Hit enter. Here you should see disk cleanup. So go ahead and select the drive you want to clean up. So you can select C drive, D drive, or if you have any other drive you want to clean up here, then click on OK. Now go ahead and select all the files you want to delete. So I would advise you delete files greater than 1 gigabyte. So select the files you want to delete here and then click on OK. Then you should say, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. Then it should say clean up utilities is clean up unnecessary files on your machine. So this might take a couple of minutes or a while for this to complete. So once this is completed, this is going to clean up your Windows computer, and of course you're going to have access to more storage or disk space on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Then once that is done, then you're good to go, and then that is basically all you need to do when you want to clean up more disk space on your Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows 8. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.